Hello, boys and girls. Guess what time it is? It's Eureka time. Today is January 29, 2021, and our goal is to get a 90% or higher on our end of module. Today, we're going to be doing lesson 6, and our objective says that by the end of this lesson, I can use dimes and pennies to represent tens and ones. So, what do we need to know? We need to know what a digit is, and a digit is another word for number. So, for example, the number 24 down here has 2 digits. We also need to know what quick tens and ones are. And for that is what we practiced yesterday, or what we've been practicing, to draw sticks for tens and dots for ones. We also need to know what more is. And I put the plus symbol because when it says more, you add more to your picture. And when it says less, you cross off because you are supposed to take away to show less. How are we going to be successful today? Well, number 1, we're going to circle the groups of 10. 2, circle our starting number. 3, underline the strategy. 4, draw to show more or cross off to show less. Here we go. You're sitting tall. You're listening. Look at my picture. How many ones are in a 10 stick? Get ready. Yes, there is 10 ones. So if you see all these little cubes in a 10, you have 10 ones. What's the same or different about these two groups of cubes? Well, they're different because one of them is a 10 and the other one is 10 ones, the ones that are separated. But they are the same amount. The 10 stick is made up of 10 cubes, and the 10 ones are also made up of 10 cubes. So if you would put the ones together, they would be a 10 stick because they are 10. Are you still listening? How many pennies have the same value as 1 dime? So look at this right here. This is called a dime. And now let's think about it. How many pennies do we need to have the same value as 1 dime? Yeah, get ready. Yes, we would need 10 pennies, just like this 10 stick right here. We need 10 ones for it to have the same value as a 10. So for a dime, since it's worth 10 cents and each penny is worth 1 cent, we would need 10 pennies. Great observations. So 1 10 stick has the same value as 10 individual cubes, and 1 dime has the same value as 10 pennies. So you could see it right here. What's the same or different about the two groups of coins? Well, you could do this. It's the same. What's the same about is that they both have the same value. A dime is 10 cents. The 10 pennies that we have right here are 10 cents. What's different is that for a dime, you only need 1 dime to equals 10 cents, while the pennies, you need 10 of them to have 10 cents. So let's look at the picture. We're still listening. Your pencils or your markers are parked. How many tens and ones are there? Get ready. Yes. 1 10 and 3 ones. Make sure to name the unit. How can I use my coins to show the same number? Well, remember, how many dimes would we use to show a 10 stick? Yes, one dime. We would need 1 dime and we would put a circle with a 10 in it so we know that that's a dime. And we would need 3 pennies because remember, the pennies are like our ones. Since they're worth 1 cent, we would need 3 pennies to show 3 ones. And this is how we would draw it. We would draw 1 dime and 3 pennies. It's just like using the 10 stick to represent 1 10 and using the pennies to represent our 3 ones. Ready? Let's practice using money to show our tens and ones. On your whiteboard, go ahead and do this one with me. Ready? How many dimes do you have? Get ready. Yes, 3 dimes, which are right here. So we would put 3 dimes. How many pennies do we have? Well, let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 pennies. So how many cents do we have? Get ready. Yes, we have 39 cents. We would count, it would be 10, 20, 30, and then we have to count by ones. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So now let's pretend these were tens and ones. How many tens do we have? Get ready. Yes, 3 tens. Very good. And how many ones? Get ready. Yes, we would have 9 ones because the pennies are our ones and our dimes are like our 10 sticks. Good job. Let's do another one. How many dimes do we have? Get ready. Yes, we have 1 dime. So we would put 1 dime. How many pennies do we have? Get ready. Yes, 4 pennies. How many cents do we have in total? Get ready. Yes, 14 cents. So, if we have 1 dime, how many 10 do we have? Get ready. Yes, 1 10. How many ones do we have? Get ready. Yes, we would have 4 ones because our pennies are our ones. And if you would count, you would start at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. Let's do another one. How about this one? Answer along with me. How many dimes do you have? Get ready. Yes, 1 dime. How many pennies do you have? Get ready. Yes, 5 pennies. If we have 1 dime, how many tens do we have? Get ready. Yes, we have 1 10. And if we have 5 pennies, how many ones do we have? Get ready. Yes, 5 ones. So how many cents do we have? Get ready. 15 cents. And if we would count, we would start with 10 and then we count by ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job converting dimes and pennies into tens and ones. Now, we are going to review a little bit of what we did yesterday, but now with coins. So, we have to show 15 cents. Go ahead and press pause and draw 15 cents. So if you tried to draw, or you were saying, well, how do I draw 15 cents, Ms. Gomez? Remember, 15 cents. Look at the number. How many tens does 15 have? Get ready. Yes, 1 10, right? So you would draw 1 dime and we would draw 10 to know that, so that we know that that's a dime. And how many ones does 15 have? Get ready. Yes, 5 ones. So we would draw 5 pennies. And we draw 5 circles with a 1 inside. So we know those are our pennies. Sorry for my crooked circles. So 4, 5. Now listen. This is what I want you to show me. Show me one more penny and write how much you have in the place value chart. Press pause and press play to check your work. I'm going to repeat it. Show me one more penny. So, did you add to your tens or to your ones? Get ready. Yes, to your ones, because remember the strategy is one more. And since it's more, we have to add. So you should have drawn one more penny. And then we draw what we have. We still have one dime, but now we have 6 pennies. So what is one more than 15? Get ready. Yes, 16 cents. Great job, awesome mathematicians. This is it. Let's get ready for the live session. Remember, you have a quiz today, so be ready to log into Pear Deck. See you then.